want to take a look or a little?
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
The Twizzlers are
Or
good.
that guy. That's pretty hot, right?
She doesn't like the Twizzler.
Oh, watch out. Where's snakes?
Oh no!
Get in the house. Watch your drink.
Listen. Blizzard.
You too. Get in there.
Bye bye.
That's hot. I don't want that.
It's interesting.
Not that bad, is it?
No, not really. like dried up red skin.
You don't have Twizzlers. Get it back in there.
Say hi, Blizz.
Oh.
That's all I'm
Watch out!
You don't have Twizzlers?
Twizzlers are like an American classic. If you don't have Twizzlers,
Bazooka gum.
like Bazooka gum, man. If you don't have Bazooka Joe, you don't know what's going on. I'm just saying. He's got an eye patch, and he goes in misadventures with terrible jokes. I mean, Bazooka Joe's.
Are you like videotaping
For
everyone?
an example of one of the jokes, one of the people in the comic invents a new device to look through walls. It's called a window. Those are great jokes.
Why?